Now, this week is setting up to be a big week, not only for Shiba Inu Coin, not only for cryptocurrency. The stock market, crypto markets, all of the markets in general are looking towards one thing. And no, it's not a partnership between John Richmond and Shiba Inu Coin. It's not a partnership between anything and Shiba Inu Coin. It is much bigger than that, and it is much more market-wide than that. Guys, we've done a lot of innovating, and we've really progressed a lot when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin and all of the different partnerships, the different games, and different utilities that we've seen just really grow up over the last couple of months. But the overall market has been facing way too much with Russia, with Canada a couple of weeks ago, with interest rates and inflation. It's been way too much for any individual investors, or any investors for that matter, to lift the prices of stocks and crypto without the overall market kind of bending and giving us some leeway. And I do believe we could see some of that this week. So I want to talk about it. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit is going to get you guys at least 5 free stocks, valued at a minimum of $27, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you guys at least $5 in your choice of free crypto. And yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin. And then you get crypto exclusive exchanges down there as well. Inflation and interest rates. This has been haunting the market for quite some time. And I know, I can't say that it's a distraction to think about Russia, because it's absolutely grave what's going on over there in the Ukraine. But there's been a lot of attention and a lot of focus on a lot of other things. But inflation is near 8%, 7.9% here in the United States. These are almost historic highs. I mean, you're talking you have to go back decades, basically a half a century, before you get anywhere near these same rates. And this is big. This is big. When inflation goes this high and interest rates are to follow, people take their money out of stocks, out of crypto, out of things like Shiba Inu Coin, because these are more speculative, more risky assets, and they put them in things like bank accounts, CDs, savings accounts, and so on, bonds, so that they can go out there and they can earn a decent interest rate at a fairly safe risk, or a fairly safe risk level. Now, just to look at that a little bit further, if somebody can earn 5%, risking their money in the stock market. And I know you guys might be thinking, 5%, that's stupid, man. Just go out and stake your Gemini coin or something and earn 8. Oh, well, yeah, but they don't know that. So if somebody's earning 5% in the stock market, or if somebody's earning 10% on their Bitcoin returns or their cryptocurrency returns, and all of a sudden inflation goes to 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 20%, and interest rates go to 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12%, then you have to wonder, why would anybody risk their money for a 5 to 10% gain when they can get a guaranteed 5 to 10% gain on something like a bond or a savings account? And that's the thought process behind the money flowing out of riskier assets like stocks and crypto, and especially Shiba Inu Coin right now, and into safer assets like bonds and securities or security deposits and things like that. So what do we need to see change? We've got an interest rate meeting coming up on Wednesday. At Wednesday, we expect a 0.25% increase in interest rates. They're going to call that a 25 basis point increase, and that's basically the minimum that they can increase interest rates by. Now, we may see a 50 basis point increase. That would be a 0.5%. We may see an increase along those lines. But what everybody's going to be looking forward to, and what could really affect the price of Shiba Inu Coin, is the forward guidance. It's what the Federal Reserve thinks about what's going to happen next. And this can go one of two ways. It can go great for Shiba Inu Coin, or it could lead us down the same path we're on right now, and we could continue to decline as the Federal Reserve would, offer no clarity. So let's look at that. The Federal Reserve can come out and say that, yes, in line with expectations, we are increasing interest rates by 25 basis points, and we're going to have to see and play and see what plays out next. We do not know if we're going to have inflation under control. We do not know if inflation is going to run wild. We do not know if it's going to spiral and just spiral out of control. We do not know. But they'll try to cover it up. We'll do everything that we can to manage it. And that not knowing, that uncertainty will cause fear among investors. Everybody in the financial space right now is looking to the Fed for some sort of clarity, for some sort of hope of what the future holds. So in that case scenario, in that scenario right there, that would be bad. It would be bad for stock markets. It would be bad for crypto markets. It would be bad for Shiba Inu Coin, because that continued uncertainty would drive people to those safer assets. Now, if the Federal Reserve comes out and says, look, yes, we are going to handle it with a 25 basis point increase as expected, but we truly believe that we've got inflation under control now. We see that it's starting to slow down. We see that supply chain's starting to pick up. Yes, we did inject a lot of cash into the economy. We realize it may have been a little bit too much, but what we've got right now is a very bold and very aggressive interest rate plan in order to wrangle in inflation. And we do believe that we will see an increase of, another 3 times across the year of 25 basis points, 50 basis points maximum. And we expect by the end of the year, inflation is going to be under control and back down near our target rate. Now, they may switch the target rate a little bit. They may do something like that. But if they offer some sort of just a domineering clarity that they can handle the situation and get inflation under control, despite everything else that's going on around the globe right now, investors will like that. Guys, the focus on actual numbers is not as important as the focus on certainty, okay? If the Fed is very hawkish, that's like bullish, right? If the Fed is very hawkish and they say that they will remain and maintain control of the inflation rate and use interest rates in an according manner, Shiba Inu Coin could absolutely soar. Why? Because all of the money that flowed into bonds, knowing that these people are going to be receiving lower interest rates than they could in the stock market, crypto market, and so on, all of that money, if not a great portion of it, should flow back into riskier assets like stocks, crypto, and especially Shiba Inu Coin. So I'm optimistic. We will be watching the Fed on Wednesday to see what they do. But if they've got some good news coming out, I am optimistic that this week could turn around. I know it's rough already, but with a little bit of clarity, this week could absolutely turn around. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know down in the comments below which direction you think the Fed's going to go. Will they offer any lick of clarity whatsoever, or are they just going to play it safe and say, oh, you don't know what's going to happen. I think it's going to be good. It might be bad. Let us know down in the comments. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.